No one alive today has experienced the exact astrological shift happening in April. We're about to move into a major shift in astrological energy. And if you've been feeling like stuck and foggy or unmotivated lately, this is likely why. So for the past several weeks, we've had a heavy concentration of planets in Pisces. You know, Pisces is water, slow, foggy, emotional, sluggish, sleepy. A lot of you have felt stuck, tired, maybe unsure of your next move, like something needs to change, but you just couldn't move. But look at this. I want to show you something. By this time next week, by April 15th, we have 6 planets in Aries plus Chiron. Chiron is the wounded healer, which represents the wound that needs to be healed in this lifetime. If you don't heal it, you stay blocked. Now, that is a massive shift from water into fire. And Aries doesn't sit still. Aries acts. Aries initiates. Aries moves. It's ruled by Mars. Mars is in its own sign, which makes it even more powerful than usual. So this is activation. If you've been feeling restless, irritated, done tolerating things, nothing's wrong with you. You're being pushed into action. So I'm a life coach, and a big part of the work I do with my clients is teaching mindful awareness. And honestly, I cannot think of a better tool to support living mindfully aware than understanding how astrology is impacting you. That's why I often schedule my virtual breathwork classes on powerful astrology days. I have one coming up next week on April 14th. Because, these transits don't happen in a vacuum. They're hitting your natal chart somewhere specific. So you need to look at that. Let me show you what I mean. Here is Donald Trump's natal chart with the current transits. Now, this is not political. This is educational, and there's a lot going on in our country right now. So let's see. Look where, now this is by April the 15th. Look where Aries is hitting his chart. 8th house, 9th house. Look what's being activated, okay? This is how astrology works. So now ask yourself, where is Aries in your chart? Because for some of you, this is career. For others, relationships. For others, identity, handling other people's money, traveling. That's where it's hitting Donald Trump right here. Now,